Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to force update your M65 RGB Ultra. So, if there are some issues with your mouse and you just want to force update it to make sure that everything works fine, you can go over and here we have our mouse. We're going to click on the gear icon close to it in the top right corner, and here we have an option to check for updates. We want to check for updates. As you guys can see, I am on the latest version. Now we're going to click on the three dots and go to force update. Now, if there are some issues, as you guys can see now, it is updating and it will soon either disappear or just stay off for a while. If there are some issues, you can also go over and search on the internet for the older versions if the newest one has some glitches, for an example, because you can check for updates, click on three dots, and then also browse for the firmware. So, that's how you guys can force update your mouse. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.